So it's been a long time. Now we're getting back into new material. This one is about the order of operations. Order of operations is just simply the order in which we do mathematical operations in a problem. So in order to do that, we have to remember a certain thing. It's called Pemdas. You can write that on the center of the page. P-E-M-D-A-S. Pemdas. This is just an easy way to remember something. This stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, what this means, this is probably gobbledygook to you. What this means, whenever you see a problem that has multiple things going on all at once, first you do your parentheses, then you do your exponents, then you do multiply and divide together. This is going to be left to right. Then you do addition and subtraction together, again, left to right. Okay? So, we'll see what that looks like. Number one, we have parentheses 4 times 7 minus 6 to the second power, or 6 squared. Close the parentheses, minus 5. I'll zoom in just a little bit on that problem. Keep that PEMDAS in the screen. Now, first we have to do our parentheses. Whatever's in our parentheses goes first. Within that, we have to do our exponents first. So, we're going to do one thing at a time. This 6 to the second power becomes 36, because 6 times 6 is 36. We didn't change anything else. We're doing one thing at a time. Now, the next thing in our parentheses is multiplication. P-E-M-D, multiplication comes first. 4 times 7 will become 28. I didn't touch anything else in my problem. I still have to finish my parentheses off. That 28 minus 36, this is the first time we've seen a number minus a number that's bigger than that first one. What that's going to do, so if you look at our number line, here's 0, here's 28. We're going minus, we're going to the left, we're going minus 36. So it's going to be 28 spaces to 0, but we're still going, because 36 is more than 28. We have to figure out how many spaces more it's going to go. To figure out how many spaces more it's going to go, 36 minus 28, I borrow. 16 minus 8 is 8. So it's going 8 spaces more to the left. It's going to end up at negative 8. So it's going to be negative 8 minus 5. Those parentheses got resolved. I can get rid of them. No, the negative 8 minus 5. So I'm at negative 8 and going minus 5 more. I could think about like 8 plus 5 is going to be 13. So 8 minus 5 more is going to be negative 13. If you look at our whole problem, it looks kind of like an upside-down triangle or an upside-down pyramid. Whenever we have these order of operations problems or PEMDAS problems, they're going to look like an upside-down pyramid because you're getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller until you have only one answer at the bottom. Let's try number 2. We have 8 plus 3 in parentheses, all that to the second power, plus 8 divided by 2. Fairly straightforward. First, we do our parentheses. 8 plus 3 is 11. That's still squared. We didn't change anything else. Resolve our second parentheses. We have 11 squared plus 4, because 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now, our exponents. 11 squared is 121 plus that 4. Didn't touch that. 121 plus 4 is 125. That is my final answer. It looks like an upside-down triangle. Good to go. Let's do one more, just to make sure we're good. We have 3 times, parentheses, 3 minus 2 plus 25. So we'll have 3 times, do our parentheses first, 13 minus 2 is 11, plus 5 squared. Didn't touch that. Now we do our exponents. 5 squared is 25. Didn't touch the other things. This is still a plus. Now we do our multiplication. 3 times 11 is 33, plus 25, didn't touch that. 33 plus 25 will be 58. And that should be my final answer. That's how you do order operations problems. Nothing crazy. On the back, they get more complicated, but the same methods still apply. Remember to write down the center of your page, P-E-M-D-A-S, Pemdas. That's how you do it. I will see you tomorrow.